Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify drivetrain faults with OBDLink and Forscan for EVs, complete guide step by step clearly. Connect your OBDLink adapter to the vehicle's OBD2 port. Ensure your vehicle is in the on or run position without starting the engine. Open the OBDLink app on your mobile device. Select the option to connect to your OBDLink adapter. Once connected, navigate to the diagnostic section of the app. Choose the specific vehicle make and model from the list provided. Allow the app to establish a connection to the vehicle's onboard computer. Once connected, select the Read Fault Codes option. The app will display any existing fault codes related to the drivetrain. Make a note of the codes displayed for further analysis. Now, open the Forscan application on your device. Ensure your OBDLink adapter remains connected to the vehicle. In Forscan, select the Connect option to link with the vehicle. Look for the DTC option in the Forscan menu to access diagnostic trouble codes. Review the codes visible in Forscan for more detailed information. Cross-reference the codes with online resources or vehicle documentation. Identify if the issues are related to the drivetrain components. Utilize Forscan's additional features to perform live data monitoring. Select the Data Logger option for real-time data from various sensors. Focus on parameters related to the drivetrain, such as motor temperature and power output. Analyze the live data to identify any irregularities. If necessary, run additional tests using the various diagnostic tools available in Forscan. Compare results from both OBDLink and Forscan for a comprehensive evaluation. Document your findings for future reference. If fault codes persist after addressing issues, consider consulting a professional. Regularly update both OBDLink and Forscan applications for enhanced functionality. Familiarize yourself with user manuals and online forums for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.